Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging from Amazon. Now we are still doing the budget-friendly canvases from Amazon, and this one is a 30 by 40, and I gave $7.98 for this one. And let's get into this. While I'm opening this up, I just want to say hello to everyone, and I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and everyone who has commented and watched the videos. I appreciate it so much. You have no clue. And I hope everybody's doing great today. And this is a poured glue. So I'm just kind of rolling it backwards, kind of flipping it around. And this is what I got. The Easter gnomes. Well, y'all think, and I apologize for the glare. It's a gloomy day today. We just had a storm last night, and it's just really cloudy today, so I've had to turn on my overhead light, and it is leaving a glare. So, but I thought this was really cute. I like the colors, and again, I love gnomes, and I'm trying to get all of the holiday type gnomes, and then there's a few more that I would really like to have. So I guess you could say I'm collecting them. So anyway, it has on the top, well, it has a little thumbnail. Y'all can see that. It has the thumbnail. It has the canvas number, and it is a 30 by 40. It has the color legend on the top left, and it does have the DMC codes. It also has another legend on the bottom right that has the DMC codes, and this is saying we have 33 colors. And it looks like we go from 1 to 8, and then we have the alphabet, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 symbols. If y'all can see that. But that's not too bad. And the symbols are just your normal everyday symbols. Alright, so let's look at the kit and the drills. Alright. So this has got a kit like the other gnome one, so they must be within the same little company. But it does come with the 2 pins. They both are single placers, but one has got a multi-placer, and it looks like possibly a 7 placer. And then it has the little green boat, the larger piece of pink wax, and a pink squishy to go on your pen, and a few little baggies. So I consider this a step up from the kit that you get that has just the green boat, little square, and 1 pink pen. So this is just a little bit of a step up from that kit. Okay, so hold your ears if you don't like the crinkling noise. But I can't help it, it's part of it. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Now, this has got the gray strip across the bags, and it does have the canvas number on the bags, but not the DMC codes. But that's okay, because it's on the canvas. Alright, so we're going to go through these just real quick. And there's a couple strips. Alright, so we've got some brown. Let's some yellow. Now, I'm not going to call all these out. Now, these drills, I have never had a real issue with any of these that have this gray stripe. So they're pretty decent drills, I think. That's my opinion, but I've never had any issues with them. And this is a round. Blues. Few shades of blues. And then we get into some greens. Here comes some orange. A big old bag of blue. Big bag of white. 2 bags of white. Yep. So, lots of pretty colors in this. We'll just set this to the side. Alright. So, let's see. Everything looks pretty good. The only issue I could see with this one might be the S's. If you can see, it's a little light. With a light pad, it wouldn't be too hard. And it could just be my lighting in here. Because like I said, I do have a glare from my overhead light, and it is a very gloomy, crappy day today. So yeah, I don't see really any issues with anything other than, you know, the one. And it may not, like I said, it may not even be an issue. It may just be my lighting. And it looks like the canvas actually has a little bit of like glitter inside the canvas. Yeah, just a little bit of glitter. And it's pretty sticky. But I thought it was really cute. I might actually be able to do this one when Easter shows up. So, because I missed out on the St. Patrick's Day one. But hopefully I can do this one. So what do y'all think about this one? I like them. I really do. I think they're really cute and colorful. And I love colorful canvases. So, all right, y'all. That was just a quick video on what I got from Amazon. So, y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And until my next video, I hope all is well. And I will see everyone next time. Bye, y'all.